IHRT stock analysis and IHRT stock prediction is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I mean, I'm struggling to understand how iHeartMedia stock is at this point, like right now. It's sick, you know, it's awesome. If I look at it from a broader picture, you know, it was in this correction phase for quite some time, which was the sucky part. So where the heck are we heading next? I mean, I've done 37,000 videos, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I know what's making me money and what's not. So with IHRT, that's why, you know, previously I had some breaks that I caught, wanted to take things up short term, and then started melting. I'm still only really biased towards the bullish side if there is a double break. If there's like a cool double break, then I'm looking to still double down on this. But if not, man, it's, you know, it's really not that serious. So the only time I'm actually going to consider this is if it actually does pull down and then gives me a double break. Other than that, everything else is pure noise, everything. So what I'll keep doing here is I'll keep waiting. And yes, if you want to make more money consistently in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.